Hi, I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. I am having absolutely the best day today that I've had in a long time. I'm feeling super positive. It is absolutely nasty outside. We're about to have storms, but yesterday, this has nothing to do with the video, but I'm just having such a good day. Yesterday, I let go of some extreme toxic negativity in my life, and I feel like 200 pounds lighter today. It's just the best feeling. If you have negative drama in your life, let it go. I'm telling you, you will feel so good. So now on to the video. That has nothing to do with it. I wanted to share with you the 5 top Louis Vuitton small leather goods that I think are must-haves. Granted, they're not must-haves. You don't have to have a luxury small leather good, but I've had most of these for a very long time and I've gotten a lot of use out of them. So I wanted to share that with you and what my opinions on them are. And I did have a hard time because I wanted to include more, but I was like, I need to keep it simple and just keep it down to 5. One more thing I want to share with you that has nothing to do with the video, and I'm going to link this down below. This is not sponsored. It's not an affiliate link. I will get nothing from this. I'm just so excited by this product. I just wanted to share it with you. This is day 14. No. Day 8. Day 8 on this manicure. And this is the longest my nails have been in years. These are my natural nails. I found this system and it is amazing, amazing, amazing. I have gotten 14 days out of this, which is why I said this is day 14, but it's day 8. But I'm gonna link it down below. It is like a gel manicure, but it removes with normal acetone and it is completely dry in 5 minutes. All the 5s got me thinking about that. So let's actually start the video. I will put a timestamp down below since I am so incredibly chatty this morning, but let's get to the video. My oldest and one of my most favorite small leather goods from Louis Vuitton is the Clair. I always want to say key clay, but clay is key, but the key pouch or the Clair. And this is in the Damier Ebene print. I also have it in the monogram print. I love this. This is, oh my goodness, at least 2013, I think. I've had it a very, very long time. And there's no chipping, there's no wear, there's nothing. I mean, I've showed this to you guys many times, and there's nothing on the zipper pull. And I actually hung keys on this part for years. The gold has not changed color at all. My car is keyless entry now, so I usually just pop it down in here. But these are great because you can also use them if you don't want to carry a full-size wallet. My girlfriend uses this exclusively as her wallet, but she has the Damier Graphite. But she's like, I can't stand a wallet, and this is what she uses and fits everything in it. So there is the monogram print. I've had this one a very long time too. They've made some slight modifications to the new one on the corners, but yeah, I got a bunch of keys done in that one. I always just have one of these in my handbag. It's just a great piece to own. The next one I have raved about and raved about and raved about, and you know what it's going to be, and you're tired of seeing it, I'm sure. But I absolutely love this. I got asked a lot in my vlog sale that I recently did why I was letting so many wallets go. I'm sick of changing, and this is my favorite one. I did pick up one of these in black. This is the Zoe, and it is the Empreinte wallet, and the color is the Rose Poudre. This back pocket is just so incredibly useful. I was looking at a different wallet online with a different brand, but had a very big logo on the front. It had a back pocket, it had more card slots, and it was cool, except for that big logo. It was from YSL. And I worry about something like that having a giant logo. The majority of my bags are all leather lined. This is just a great wallet. I cannot say enough good things about it. I will try to link a video that I've done on it. It is expensive, but it is 100% leather. There is no fabric, canvas, cloth, whatever on this at all. It is all leather. And full slot for bills, a place for coins. This particular one in this light color, I honestly don't put coins in here. It's very rare that I have changed to begin with. I don't put coins in this one. I did a couple of times and it got gunky and I wiped it out. What I usually do with this part is I will fold hundreds and put those down in there so that when I open to pay. It's, smaller bills, and it's just not so much. You could also put an extra card down in there, but you get 5 card slots, and it's very, very easy to double them up. I was watching another YouTuber who bought this in canvas, and she said she bought it off of watching other YouTubers' reviews, so I assume maybe she watched mine because I rave about this thing. She hated it. I will tell you, I did try this in canvas. I didn't buy it. I tried it in the store. The credit card slots are very, very stiff. They're very, very, very easy with the Empreinte leather. So if you're really interested in this and you want the canvas, I would just try it on in the store and make sure that it works for you and it doesn't annoy you. I'm sure it will, loosen up with time, I guess I should say. But this is amazing. I put my hotel key back here. I put my ID back here when I'm traveling. If I'm not traveling, I will use the card that I want to pay with the most back here. It's just so, so convenient. I love this. The next one is, again, one of my older ones. This is one of my newer ones. I got this last year. And this was hard to choose because I have all 3 sizes. But if I'm going for what's truly the most useful, it would have to be the Toiletry Pouch in the size 19. I do have the 15 and the 24? Yes, 24, 25. I don't know, I didn't bring it out here. But the 19 is really just the most versatile of 3. It fits in the majority of bags. Now, it doesn't fit into the new trend of the really mini bags. It fits easily in a Neverfull, an Antigona, any Speedy, the Totally, just a ton of bags. Just if you have like a normal medium-sized bag, and it holds a lot. I always have all of them somewhat stuffed with items because I do switch with these quite a bit, and I'm tired of doing so much rotating with the wallets, but I just kind of leave these full. You can't really do that with a wallet because you have one driver's license, so it's a little more difficult. But the inside is this wipeable tan lining, and I've had this one, there's no way. I'm not going to do that to you. It's going to take me forever to find it and to read it, but I've had this one for many, many years, and absolutely no issues with it whatsoever. None with the zipper. Again, I've seen people that have issues with their zippers chipping. I haven't had any issues with that. And, it is thrown down in a bag next to other things and just no wear on this at all. I think that their canvas small leather goods are some of the best wearing small leather goods that you can buy. They're just amazing, amazing pieces. Just really, really they are. They wear so well. Like I said, this is so old, and I've used it daily for years, and then I picked up this one, and sometimes I will carry both of them. So they just really wear very, very well. And I'm hoping, this one is still not a year old, but I'm really hoping that I will get the same kind of wear, out of that one as well. So this is my newest piece, and it is the mini Pichette, and I have it in the monogram version. And this one, I used to have it in all 3 prints. I had the monogram, the damier ebene, and then I had a special limited edition. I think it was from the Tahitian line, and it was a damier Azure with pink flowers on it. I wasn't using it. I sold all 3 of them. I really missed having one of these in my collection. And instead of getting a plain one, I went with monogram because I've always wanted a monogram piece. I will never ever have a bag with vachetta on it again, ever. It's just not for me. I think it's beautiful. I love it when I see a beautiful honey patina, but it's not for me. And so the other monogram options are a Neverfull or a Speedy. I like the Speedy. I'm not a Neverfull fan. So I was like, this is a great way to have a little bit of that monogram. And I forgot that I had it. I got it for Christmas. I forgot that I had it for several weeks. It was a very hectic, crazy start to the year. A family member was in the hospital for a whole month, and we have a wedding coming up next month. There's just been a lot going on. But I did pull this out a couple of weeks ago, and I have been using it nonstop. I did trade out of it yesterday, so I moved a few things out. Let me pull this out so you can see the inside of that. The inside of this one has the little flowers. And hopefully that is showing. It doesn't look like it is. There it is. There we go. You've got to get your face out of it with my camera. But it has the little flowers going down. It's so, so, so cute. And then I chose, I forget the name of the colors. I will write the colors down in the description box. But I chose a light blue and a dark blue. And then I did the matching light blue interior. And the stripes go all the way around. It's just absolutely, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. And it is so useful because, as I said, this one really works best in medium-sized bags. And this would be great in the smaller mini bags that are out right now to use as a cosmetic pouch instead of using this one. It holds about the same as the Toiletry Pouch 15. I feel like this one is more popular than the Toiletry Pouch 15 because you can do a little bit more with it because it has the chain. You could just carry this for an evening as like a little wristlet and, you know, not have to bring a full bag. But I really, really like this. Let me know down below if you would like a full review on this one. I kind of feel like it's been out long enough that there's enough reviews that, you know, might not really be that interesting. And also let me know, because I went ahead and shared the nails with you. I have not been doing favorite videos very often because I just kind of feel like they're done. I mean, I've done so many of them. I've been on YouTube now for 4 years, so I've done a lot of favorites videos. Tell me if you're still interested in something like that, or if you kind of feel like I feel like they're just kind of done right now. So the last item, the 5th item, is considered a small leather good. I use it as a handbag, and that is the Pichette accessoire, as people like to call it, or like I like to call it the Pichette accessories, because that's what it says on the United States website, and I'm not French, so I don't speak French very well. But this is my oldest piece out of them. I have this one in the trifecta, and this one I purchased in 2013. I have used this thing to death. I popped the zipper off right there by overstuffing it, and I'd had it at 2 years at that point. Louis Vuitton was so nice. I fully expected to pay, and they replaced it for me. This one is one of my only small leather goods that has wear, and this is not as gold as it used to be anymore. But you can't really see it, so it doesn't bother me. The inside of this has one slit compartment in the back, and it has the beautiful red lining. You can fit a lot in this. You can fit like as much as a Chanel mini in this. A lot of people take this 2 rings on the side, and they will buy a strap and wear it crossbody. I did purchase a gold chain strap to do that with. That strap is so heavy, it weighs more than the bag, so I've never tried again, but I might eventually get some sort of a strap for it. But no corner wear, like I said, since 2013. I actually do keep some of my pieces for quite a long time. The next one that is my second oldest one is in the Damier Azure print. I love this in summer with little sundresses, and when you have on like a little light sundress, that especially an all-white one, I never know what bag to wear with it, and this is what I always end up gravitating towards and using this one. I just think it's so fresh and so nice for spring and summer. I will admit I do not touch Damier Azure in the fall and winter at all, but that's okay because it does have its purpose in my collection. And I can see the date code and tell you how long I've had it for. It is from 2016. So yeah, I've had it for a while. It has the light beige interior, light tan, I guess you would say, and made in France. I haven't said that on any of these, have I? They're all made in France, actually. Every single thing I've showed you today is all made in France. The last one I got last year because I had this one and I sold it because I hadn't ever reached for it. And I was like, that was a dumb thing to do. So I was like, I was missing it. These are really my summertime bags. These are what I like to bring with me on vacations, on trips, and it's just, they're so light and easy. It's very hot and humid in Tennessee in the summertime, and these are just absolutely fabulous. And I was like, I don't have any monogram bags left in my collection, and the vachetta on these does not bother me because it's so small, and I wanted one bag. So I was very lucky. My sales associate got one in from my sister, and then a week later called me and got one in for me. She's my sister's why I got this. We were out shopping in Las Vegas, and she's like, I really want that one like you have in the check, and she wanted, but the monogram is what she wanted. So yeah, I got one too. This one has a little darker brown interior on this one, and it's fabulous. I love these. I can't believe I sold this. I will not be selling it again. I will be keeping my trifecta. This is the only trifecta I have left. I used to have a lot of Louis Vuitton trifectas, which I decided was quite ridiculous, but the price point on these, I think they just went up a little bit, but it's really not bad, because I mean, I've gotten, especially this one, I've gotten so much use out of it, and the wear on this is so minimal. It's really minimal. So I just think their canvas pieces are great, and I wish that they would do more with out Pichette, but with softer leather. I don't like how stiff some of their treated leathers are, but these are the 5 that I think are absolutely, if you're going to buy Louis Vuitton small leather goods, must-haves. Tell me what yours are down below. What's your favorite small leather good from Louis Vuitton or from any other brand? I am a small leather good junkie. I love all brands. It was very hard to just narrow this down today, but I'd love to hear yours. And if you haven't done so already and you like these kind of videos, I would love it if you would take that time to hit the subscribe button down below and a thumbs up. Have an amazing day. I know I'm going to. I already got dinner in the crock pot. I have Lola all taken care of, and it's going to be a good day. Hope you have one too. Take care. Bye-bye.